Stoughton Printing was founded in 1964 and incorporated in 1965 by my father, Jack Stoughton Sr. He's always made the point throughout his career of securing the best equipment, the best materials he could to make the finest product he could ever make. He understood that Stoughton had a responsibility as a printing manufacturing company to take care of this environment. I'm Jack Stoughton Jr., and I've been running Stoughton Printing with my brother Clay since 1990. My father, Jack Sr., pioneered eco-friendly vinyl record jackets in the printing business decades ago. It took significant risk by him and risk to the company in adopting new practices. We've done our best to carry this further than Dad ever thought it could, still creating the highest quality products, using the most environmentally friendly and responsible manufacturing processes and materials that we can get our hands on.
My name is Rob Malshin. I've been working at Stoughton Printing for 29 years now. I was hired by Jack Sr. What I do is customer service. We've worked on numerous Neil Young projects. Miles Davis, Pearl Jam, Led Zeppelin, Mothership, Jack White, Lazaretto. We print two style of jackets. We print direct-to-board and old style. Direct-to-board is just like it says, printed on board, die-cut, folded and glued, all in line, done really fast. And then the other style is the old style jacket, where it's basically printed on paper and mounted to board. It's the way they were done back in the 50s and 60s. So that's why when people see our jackets, if it's a reissue from a job back in the 50s or 60s, they'll say, wow, it's even nicer than my original.
Growing up, I learned the responsibilities that my dad took on his shoulders to produce a great product, to produce it competitively, to be responsible to his employees, many of which have been here for 3 and 4 decades. We think they're part of our family too. It's their hands, after all, that are putting the Stoughton name on every box that goes out of here. Throughout my career, I've strived to keep what Dad started going and growing it and honing it better. We've always looked at the environmental impact that we make as a company, cutting down our waste stream, recycling our products, recycling our paper, recycling our inks, recycling our coating materials. That helps everybody down the road. Back in the day, there wasn't such thing as Forestry Stewardship Council, FSC. So Dad sourced papers that he knew the paper mills were growing their own trees and harvesting those trees to make paper. But that went side by side with his recycled material or his eco jacket. We get the strength, we get the gloss, we get the printing quality, and we can still make a product that's very eco-friendly. Here at Stoughton, we work every day to carry the torch that Dad lit even further.